welcome back to my channel. Today I've got some unboxing to do. This video is not sponsored, however I did get these items for free. I will be trying them out, so just giving you guys a heads up. I will link the item in the description below. I have no idea how it's gonna go, good or bad. Okay. The item that I really want to test out, this is just regular UV resin. I opened this already. So we'll be testing the UV resin out to see if it's sticky or not. But the real thing that I really want to test out is the Teexpert UV dip resin kit. All right, so let's take a look to see what's in here. So we've got size 5 wire. We've got some tweezers. And this is silver, and I think that's gold. And oh, we've got some of these designs. Let's see what it says. So this is no VOCs, low odor, easy to use, fast curing, high transparency, yellowing resistant, glossy finish, bubble free. So, oh, okay, they have these little thingies, these little shapes, so you can make the little wires for your flowers. That's what it is. Okay, well, let's try it out. Okay, let me go ahead and open this up. Bam. Let's see, is it gonna be thick? Is it thin? I'm excited. Okay, it looks halfway thick and halfway thin. So let's get some of the silver wire. Let's give this a try. And let's take the difficult one. See if I can do this. Wrap copper wire into shape. Okay, maybe I'm doing this wrong because like it slips off. Okay, but it's not really making the shape. All right, maybe that's a difficult one. So let me get like a heart. Anyways, I just really want to know if the dip resin works or not. That's the point. Oh, okay. Did it a little bit. It's still dripping though. It's not as thick as AliExpress. It's not as thin as Temu. Temu is too thin where like you have to run to the light. Next size. It has a bouble. A bouble. Oh, and let me just skip to this size. Okay. Oh, all right. Oh, wow, guys. Okay. I was really skeptical at first because I didn't know what these were, and I tried to do like a multi-petal thing, and then it just became a whole glob. But guys, look at this. This one I couldn't do very well because I made it too thin right here in the middle. But the way that this feels, it almost feels like toe dip right here in the thin part right here. And this one that I did, it's thin and sturdy at the same time. This, okay, I am like really okay. Let me do one more big one. Guys, this stuff is working. When I first opened up the kit, I was very skeptical. I am not gonna lie. I was like thinking like, I don't know. I still don't know about these thingies. I don't know what these things are, and they're not working for me, I guess. So it swirls a little, so go ahead and try to even it out so it won't pool like to the side or whatever. Try to even it out as much as possible, then cure it. Here we go. Look, guys. Wow, this has potential. It does sometimes pool a little bit, like as you can see. So this is actually better. I like this better than the Temu stuff. It's easier to work with because it's not so thin to where it's not dripping all over the place. This one came out really good. Look at that. Wow, guys. Oh, you just have to sort of get used to using it so you won't let it pool on the sides like that. And the more that I use it, the more I'm getting used to it. I actually think it's great. I think this is better than this stuff. Definitely. I'll show you why I think it's better than this. This was gonna be the best thing that I found, but oh, what happened? Oh, this stuff is too thin. It won't stay. Oh, there we go. Nope. Oh, guys, actually, the Temu one, this circle is too big. It won't. It'll pop. All right, guys, we have a winner. And I do have to say that the Teexpert dip resin is a lot better than this thin Temu one. You don't have to run to the UV light. And it is the right consistency. Perfect. I really like it. Oh, and great news, guys. You get 10% off by using the discount code Candy Marrow at checkout, which is valid for both the UV dip resin and the UV resin in the Amazon, Japan, and US stores, okay? So go check it out. And until next time, bye!